Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to follow people on X. So that's pretty simple. In order to follow people on X, first of all, of course, open X and go to some kind of profile that you want to follow. I will use my search bar. Now, when you are on someone's profile, you want to find black follow button. Let's tap it, and as you can see, if it changes to white one with saying following, that indicates that you have just successfully followed this user on X. So that's how you can follow someone on X. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.